Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Prep. Today we are going to solve this question using the same ER diagram, that is the bank ER diagram. Now starting with the question, that is write a query to display the account number who has done the highest transaction. So basically we have to display that account number who has done the maximum number of transactions, including the withdrawals and deposit, that is a transaction type. Yeah. For example, the account, this one has done 5 transactions, that is 5 withdrawals and 2 deposits. And the account A000224 has done 3 transactions, suppose 2 withdrawals and 1 deposit. So, the account number of A0023 will be displayed because here it has done the 5 transactions. And suppose if in case of multiple records, suppose there are many account number doing the same number of transactions, and that is the highest number of transactions. So at that time it will display the record in ascending order based on account number. So basically from this table, that is a transaction detail, we have to display that account number who has done the maximum number of transactions, including withdrawals and deposit, that is the transaction type. Now let's just run this table, display all the records of this table, select asterisk from transaction details. So this is the table. So we have to display the account number which is doing the maximum number of transactions. So first of all we will see like how many number of different accounts are there. See here A401, this is the one account, A402, this is the another account, and A407, this is the another account. These three are the account number doing different transactions. So first of all our objective is to arrange all this similar account into one group. So we will use group by function here, and we will use this column name. After that we will use the count aggregate function in this transaction type or in the transaction number. Any column we can use count aggregate function, because when you are using count aggregate function in this column, it will count how many number of transactions type are there based on a particular group. Suppose this is the group A0001. Like how many number of transactions this account is doing. See, this is doing one deposit, then one withdrawal, again one deposit, then withdrawal, then withdrawal. So it will count like this. And in case like the other way is when we are using count aggregate function in this transaction number, it will count like a particular account is doing how many transactions. So it will count one transaction, two transaction, and then this one is also A401, 3 transaction, 4 transaction, 5 transaction, 6 transaction. Similarly, it will count like this. So we will try both the method one by one. So select, we have to display the account number from transaction details, group by account number. See up to this what this is showing. This will simply arrange the similar account into one group. See, these are the 3 different accounts. It arranged all the similar account into one group. After that we have to count like which account number is doing among these three, which account number is doing maximum number of transactions. So we will write the condition having, we'll specify count. Let's just start first see with that transaction type, then we will see with the transaction number. Having count transaction type should be greater than or equal to, or here we will write the inner subquery, that is select count transaction type from transaction details, group by account number. I know you are confused about this query. Let's just run it individually. See what this query is showing. select count, like we have to count the transaction type based on the account number, like based on a particular account number, like it is doing how many number of transaction type including the withdrawal and deposit. Like remember the sequence, first is 1 2 7. Let's just see one account number, the account number starting with 1, it is doing 6 number of transaction including the withdrawals and deposit. Likewise, the 2 account number, it is doing 3 number of transactions including withdrawal and deposit, and the account number ending with 7, it is doing 3 number of transactions including withdrawal and deposit. So basically we have to, in the having condition we have mentioned, display that account number only where the count transaction type is greater than, like this query is returning the count, like this query is returning the number of transactions of each account, and if we are mentioning here the having condition, like display only only the greatest among the three we have mentioned, that is greater than or equal to. So we have to display that is the greater among the three. After that, if in case there is the account number that is doing the maximum number of transactions and there are multiple accounts doing the maximum number of transactions, that is the same number. So we have to arrange it in ascending order based on the account number. Now we are done with our query. See, this is the account number doing maximum number of transactions, that is 6 including withdrawal and deposit. Similarly, we can here write instead of writing transaction type, we can also write, we can calculate a transaction number. It will show the same output. These are the two methods of doing this. I hope you are clear about this question. Yeah, if you like this video, please do subscribe to Placement Prep. Thank you. Have a good day.